Good day, my name is Max Pindic, your public speaker.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we stand at a critical juncture in the history of our planet. Climate change is not just a distant threat, it is a present reality that is impacting lives and ecosystem around the world. The signs are clear: rising temperature, extreme weather events, melting ice caps, and disappearing species. We are witnessing the consequences of our action, and the time to act is now. The earth is our home, and is our responsibility to protect it for future generation. Climate change is not a problem that can be ignored or denied. It is a global crisis that requires urgent and collective action. We must come together as a global community to address this challenge with determination and resolve. The science is unequivocal. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation are the primary drivers of climate change. We are altering the very climate system that sustains life on Earth, but we can also hold the power to change course to transition to sustainable and low carbon future. We have the technology, innovation, and the knowledge to mitigate the impact of climate change and build more resilient world. Renewable energy efficiency, sustainable agriculture, and conservation efforts are the key solution that can help us reduce greenhouse gas emission and protect our planet. But addressing climate change is not just about policies, technologies, it is also about values and choices. It is about recognizing our international with nature and with each other. It's about reimagining our relationship with the earth, embracing and more sustainable way of living. As an individual, we can make difference by reducing our carbon footprint, advocating for climate action, and supporting policies that prioritize the environment. As community, we can work together to build climate resilient infrastructure, promote sustainable practices, and educate the future generation about importance of environmental stewardship. The time for action is now. We cannot afford to wait any longer. Let us address the challenge of climate change with encourage determination and solidarity. Let us a step towards of sustainable and thriving planet for all. That's all. Thank you.